this class, we will look at resonance. Resonance is a very important phenomena in organic chemistry, and we'll make use of benzene to understand what is resonance. So, good morning, students. So, in this class, we will look at resonance. Resonance is a very simple concept where for certain molecules it has been observed that a simple single structure is not enough to describe the complete properties of the molecule. Now this can be demonstrated by taking the example of benzene. So benzene, its molecular formula C6H6, which is you all should know it, can be represented by so it's a cyclic structure with alternating single and double bonds. So conveniently we write it like as shown in structure 2, and in many of the books we commonly write this as a hexagon with a circle inside. Now what does the circle mean? The circle actually means that there is resonance. Now let's look at the structure 1 little more closely. Now structure 1 can be represented by two structures. One wherein you have a double bond here, a single bond, double bond, single bond, a double bond and a single bond. There is no reason to believe why there shouldn't be a single bond where there was a double bond here, and a single and a double bond where there happens to be a single bond here. So these double bonds can alternate, right? So these double bonds can alternate. So if this structure, if any of this structure were to be true, then if you measure the bond length, CC bond length, we would be observing two bond lengths, one for a CC single bond and another one for a CC double bond. But what one observes experimentally is what is this. The bond length in benzene is, all bond lengths are 139 picometers or 1.39 angstroms, which means that all the CC bonds are equivalent, and so you cannot represent benzene with a single structure, but we should evolve representing benzene using a combination of both these structures, which is what is called as the resonance hybrid or hybrid structure of benzene, wherein we draw the double bonds as broken lines indicating that these are partial double bonds. So the double bonds are not restricted to any two carbon-carbon bonds, but they are between all the 6 carbons that exist. So we say that it's not completely double bond because double bonds are slightly shorter. It's the 139 picometers is somewhere between a single bond and a double bond, and we say that this resonance hybrid represents this partial double bond between all the 6 carbons.